All right, guys, check it out. So now we're gonna change the shocks. Truck. Is it recording? 24 millimeter. All right. And the good thing, Trevor's gonna get that. All right, I can hammer in your hand with this one. Or from this side. So you grab the nut from the bottom. All right. Yeah. Come on this side and just grab the nut from the inside. Okay. Window watch your hand. That's gonna be hard. These are spacers. So ahí está la pujera, ¿no? This one comes back up a little, no? Okay. I'm gonna shock that out. I think it's good still? Yeah? That's the old one. I'm not even sure if it's good. I mean, it don't go up, but we'll give it a shot. Get the other one. It's on the passenger side of the truck. You can do this side. All right. Put that sucker in. The little spacers on this side. You know what? I thought it would be harder, but we haven't got to the other side. So see how that goes. Did you get the watcher? No, watcher. No, the watcher? No, those are there. Maybe there's a watcher, but I don't have to. No? I had a watcher. Yeah? Is it on there? No. Well, I got a Rice Krispies for lunch. Yeah. Let me know when you're ready. Is you ready? Are you ready? Oh, not too bad, no? Let's go to the other side. All right, well, pretty decent difference if you ask me. We'll see if this one works. Now let's do the other side. Lay the phone flat somewhere.